This Hoover 60cm induction hob offers a powerful, fast-performing cooking experience every time you cook a meal. With independent electronic timers, you can set a timer for each cooking zone. When the time runs out, the designated cooking zone will automatically switch off. Great when you're cooking with multiple pans for different times, you'll know as soon as each one is ready. With residual heat indicators, an H symbol will flash on the control panel after cooking to show that the glass is still hot. The symbol will stop flashing once the surface's temperature has reduced, providing a safer environment in your kitchen. The induction zone with boosters allow you to control each zone separately with maximum boost power safely at the same time, delivering rapid cooking on all your zones so you can prepare a meal quickly and efficiently. Feel like a professional chef when cooking at home with this Hoover 60cm induction hob, the ideal kitchen appliance to boil, fry and simmer all your favourite foods to perfection.